Keep your eyes peeled. Watch your step here. We're almost through.
Keep the chainsaws going on the top level.
Clear out that center patch on the field, fast.
Watch for falling debris near the stands.
Keep pushing it towards the center. Watch out for falling debris above. All right, let's keep the trucks moving. Clear that section over there.
Safety perimeter is clear.
Initiating the sequence now.
Structure is falling. Hard hats ready.
Line it up, steady, steady. Clear, bring it down. Watch the clearance. Just a bit more to the left. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the cables. Ready to weld on the right. Just a few inches more. Locked in.
Almost done with the board.
Move it forward.
Let's finish the tunnel lights.
Keep it steady, slowly. Hold there, check the alignment. Just a little higher. Locking it in now. All right, lock it in. Looks perfect, looks perfect. Power up.
The marble looks perfect now.
Check the alignment on this paneling.
Just the balcony glass left to clean up.
All right, slowly, slowly. Got it, guide it closer. Watch the edge.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Signal the crane operator. We need to secure this beam.
Welcome to the new era. Tottenham Hotspur Stadium transformed.
Line this up here. Hold that panel steady. Almost done for the day.